Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 3000 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Overall dimensions 38 inches long by 38 inches wide by 44 inches high. It is wired for 460 volt 3-phase. This unit can be hooked up to a PLC, run in automatic mode or run in manual mode, which is what we have it at right now. You can see in the front, manual and auto there. Take a look at the nameplate down here. And away we go. And take a look at the O-scope wave over here. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.